How to make an easy stunning text effect in Canva. First, go to the text option, then choose this font. Now edit this font with any letter, like I'm writing the letter C. After that, adjust it like this. Now go to colors and change its color with black. Next, go to elements and search for slather. Then go to graphics and choose this element, placing it on the edge of the letter like this. Change its color to white. Adjust it like that. Then duplicate it and adjust it like this. Make a few more duplicates, doing it perfectly like what I'm doing right now. After that, pick another slather, but this time don't change its color. Duplicate it and adjust it as we did before, making a few more duplicates. Select all the black elements and group them together, then adjust it like this. And after that, adjust it very perfectly with your design preferences. Next, go to the text option, click on Add a Heading, and write cat. Adjust it like this. Finally, go to the Share button and download it as a PNG file. Here is our final design. If you like my design, then like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.